Hey there, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your site, these call to actions that you have throughout are really good for your conversion rates. And one thing that I would recommend for this homepage would be to have a little bit more content. Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7. And so they are scrolling through all of this content here, seeing what your photos are saved as, and they're looking for keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Kansas City foundation repair. And so when your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up is a little ad section. And if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Packs, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you do want to maintain a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And it's important to be on the first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page here. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword. So if we go through the KC Pier website, they also have some good call to actions with some forms and click to calls. But if we scroll through here pretty quickly, it looks like it'd be really easy to outdo them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have the KC Pier URL plugged into Ahrefs, and we're going to take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 34 and 4, and what's making up their ratings are the 1.91 thousand backlinks that they have. And these backlinks are coming from 419 referring domains. And so what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality ones that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional there. And then they have 1.3 thousand keywords on their website. And if we take a look at yours, I have your URL plugged in here. You'll have 22 and 9. And what's making up these ratings here are the 668 backlinks that you have, coming from 89 referring domains. And you have 398 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is boost these numbers here, so you want more high quality backlinks. And then you'd want to make sure that all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you are on your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You can go into your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to yours as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of the keywords they're ranking for. Foundation repair Kansas City. 700 people are searching for this every single month. Kansas City foundation repair, 100. There's 280, 150, 200, 150, and we can just keep scrolling here. And then there's pages of keywords here. And so in order for you to get more traffic and customers for yourself, you would want that Google business profile ranking, so have more citations there. And then you'd want to get your website ranking as well. And so in order to do that, you would want more high quality backlinks to your website, as well as quality content to support those buyer intent keywords. And I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you just to find out if it was helpful or not, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.